Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you and it is Asos. This is the Self-Care Superstars edit. It costs £18, it contains 6 beauty products and it has a value of £61. Asos have been bringing out their monthly beauty boxes for the last couple of years. There's no particular date that they release them, but it's usually in the first week or two. It's not a subscription, they're just limited edition beauty boxes and you get to see exactly what's inside the box on their website, so it's up to you whether you want to go for it or not. The pricing of the boxes differ from month to month. It depends on the contents and the theme, and if there's anything special going on like Christmas or something like that, then we usually see higher costing boxes. But £18 is roughly the cost of the basic then monthly beauty box. So if you're interested in this box for yourself, as always, you'll find details down below in my description, as well as my giveaway over on Instagram and all my discount codes and offers to other websites. So you're welcome to take a look down there if you want to. So let's get on showing you then what's inside the April box. Get a little card, tells you a little bit about the information, so I'll refer to that as we go through. Oh my god! Off to a bad start! This is the first time I've opened it. Oh my god! Oh, gutted. There's glass. Broken glass in the box. Why on earth? Look, this is how it was sent. Why on earth put something glass in a box with products that can move around so much? That is really bad. Oh, look. What is the candle? It's Rituals Relaxing Candle. Sacred Lotus and Jujube. Completely smashed. Not just one side, the other as well. Oh my god. I'm going to have to be really careful now. There's lots of little bits in there. The smell is really nice. Yeah, I can't rectify it. Okay. I'll just carry on with the unboxing. Try not to slash my fingers. But we've got Frank Body. Guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. Original coffee scrub. Exfoliator for smooth glowing skin. And there's 100ml there. This is nice. I've used this many times over the last couple of years. If you love coffee, then you're going to love the scrub. It leaves your skin feeling super soft, but it's a right mess. Obviously, it's ground used coffee, so you're going to get bits all over the shower, so you have to give it a good scrub afterwards, but that's fine. It is a good product. This is Coola. This is 7% organic, SPF 30 Dew Good Illuminating Serum with probiotic technology featuring blue screen. And there's 7ml there. Put a little bit on my hand, show you. So it's an illuminating dewy sunscreen. It looks pretty on my hand. It does look pretty on my hand, but I'm usually put off by these because I just find them a little bit too illuminating and it just makes my pores and my fine lines just don't look great. But I'll give it a go, see what it's like. You never know, I might love it. Next we've got OUAI. This is a body cleanser in the scent Melrose place, and this is beautiful. 30ml. This is really nice. Oh, it's so lovely. It's very fruity, summery scent. OUAI do really lovely hair care and body care products. So yeah, so I've got a little body cleanser there. Next we've got Alpha H. This is Liquid Gold Midnight Reboot Serum with 14% glycolic acid and tripeptide 5. There's 15ml there. My bottle is a little bit dirty for some reason. Can you see? I'm not sure. It looks a little bit dirty around the opening and on the bottle. Ooh, look, it looks like it's been opened. It looks like, oh, I really hope you can see it. Around here, crusty. Can you see? It looks like it's been opened already and has dried, you know? Oh, that is so weird. Oh, Asos, I love Asos boxes, but what on earth's going on? The only way that would happen is if it's been opened, isn't it? Or is there a different way that it might seep out? You can see it, it's dribbled a little bit down there. So has it been opened? Obviously, it's got to be closed at some point. It might just have been done when they were packaging it up, you know, ready to ship out to Asos or whatever. But yeah, it's just a little bit... I haven't tried this though. So it's a Reboot Your Skin's natural renewal process for this plumping overnight serum, which helps to effectively resurface the skin and restore firmness. There's that. And then lastly, we've got Sol de Janeiro. This is Delicia Drench Body Butter, Charosa 59 fragrance, a prebiotic hibiscus and Brazilian soothing complex. It's 25 mils there. Yeah, this is lovely. This is really, really nice. Gorgeous dollop of cream. Oh, it's so nice. So we got a body butter from Sol de Janeiro, and those are all the products in the April ASOS Self-Care Superstars edit. Obviously I'm gutted with this box with the smashed candle. I've got lots of little pieces of glass in there, so I've had to be really careful and use a cloth to clean everything before I can show you. It's obviously an accident and done while it was shipped to me. There was no protection around it whatsoever, so just even a couple of layers of tissue paper that's already inside here, you know, just to give that little bit extra protection, it might have helped. Yeah, and the Alpha H serum, a little bit groggy around the opening, which is really strange. I've never ever experienced that with a product before, with a new product before then, you know. But yeah, so I'm a bit disheartened with this. I really look at the boxes before I do any unboxing, so what you're seeing is like my first impressions or my first disappointments. And things like this do happen. It is a gamble with beauty boxes, but hopefully ASOS customer service will be brilliant. If you've had experience with broken items in an ASOS beauty box before, especially if you've had this one and you've had exactly the same, please comment down below. I'd love to hear especially how ASOS dealt with it as well, because yeah, I will be getting in touch with them and hopefully they will send out another candle or they'll refund me a bit, or I don't know what their policies are, but we'll see anyway, and I'll let you know in a pinned comment as soon as I hear anything, so check back in a couple of days time to find out. Regardless of all the dodgy stuff, what do you actually think of the edit? I'd love to hear. So take care and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.